This question is about circles and specifically the arc length when the central angle is measured in radians. So arc length is a portion of the circumference. So circumference is one of the formulas we want to be familiar with for the ACT, and that is circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius. And the arc length is just a piece of that circumference. So we're going to find what portion of the total circumference are we asked about here. And so the way that we do that, if we were given degrees, we would take our central angle and we would divide it by 360. How much of the full circle are we looking at? So 360 is a full circle in degrees, but in radians, which is what we have here, a full circle is 2 pi. If you're familiar with the unit circle, that will make more sense to you. But if not, a full circle in degrees is 360. A full circle in radians is 2 pi. So what happens here, just so we can see why the formula is the way it is we take our central angle, which is pi thirds, and we see how much of that compared to a full circle, which is 2 pi. So that's the proportion of the full circle that we're looking at, but we still need to multiply that by 2 pi r, the proportion of the total circumference. If you look at that, you can see that the 2 pi's will just cancel each other out, and we're left with c is equal to pi thirds times r, or the circumference is equal to pi thirds times the radius. And we know we're given the radius to be 8, so c is equal to pi thirds times 8, and that's just going to give us 8 pi thirds. And we find that answer in choice B.